Before we start, this is not motivational fluff. This is cognitive science. Everything in this video is grounded in peer-reviewed research on memory, learning, and neuroplasticity. My goal is to give you one thing you can apply immediately. Let's begin. Studying smart is not about studying more. It's about designing how your brain learns. Most students confuse time spent with knowledge gained. 4 hours of passive rereading feels productive. It isn't. The brain does not reward exposure, it rewards retrieval. Here's the shift. Stop trying to understand everything perfectly the first time. Instead, focus on active recall and spaced repetition. Cognitive psychology is very clear on this. When you force your brain to pull information out without looking, you strengthen neural pathways. Rereading strengthens familiarity. Retrieval strengthens memory. So what does smart studying actually look like? First, start with output, not input. After reading a chapter, close the book and write down everything you remember. No notes, no cheating. You will feel uncomfortable. That discomfort is learning happening. Then check what you missed. That gap is your roadmap. Second, use spaced repetition instead of cramming. Review material after 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, 14 days. Each spaced exposure dramatically reduces forgetting. Cramming creates the illusion of mastery because the memory is still warm. Exams punish that illusion. Third, interleave topics. Don't block study one subject for 5 straight hours. Mix related topics. The brain learns distinctions better when it must discriminate between similar ideas. It feels harder. It works better. Fourth, study in cycles. 50 minutes deep focus. 10 minutes break. During breaks, do not scroll social media. That floods dopamine and fractures attention. Walk, stretch, breathe. Protect cognitive stamina. Fifth, teach what you learn. If you cannot explain a concept simply, you do not understand it deeply. The Feynman Technique works because it exposes vagueness. Now, something most people ignore: sleep is not optional. During sleep, the hippocampus consolidates memory into long-term storage. Studying without sleep is like saving a file and unplugging the computer. Also, don't multitask. Task switching carries cognitive switching costs. Your brain takes minutes to re-enter deep focus. Protect that state. Let me challenge you with this. Next study session, do this exact sequence. 1. Preview the material 5 minutes. 2. Study actively 45 minutes. Class, close everything and retrieve from memory 15 minutes. 4. Correct gaps 10 minutes. 5. Schedule the next review. That is studying smart. Bold thought. Intelligence is overrated. Strategy is underrated. The student who understands learning. Science will outperform the one who relies on willpower.